Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Learn Think Right. We have started with form fields in HTML, and in the last video we have seen single line text input, and in this video we'll be seeing what if you want to enter multiple lines of input. So in that case you are using a tag text area, okay? text area tag, open and close tags, and we have to write the text whatever we want to input in that one. Now I'll show you with the output. Here I have kept it. For example, in the last video we have taken input from for name, okay, and this, with the help of text area, we are taking input for address. Now see address, and it's asking multiple lines of text input, okay. See here, by default they have given, and you can even add text to that, you can delete that, okay. See, I'm writing simply something, okay. Now if suppose by default it's like it was two rows of space, okay, or there provided. Now if suppose I want it to be a big cell, okay, in that case I'm mentioning number of rows and number of columns. So how to do that? Just mention rows equals to, suppose I want 6 rows, okay, then cols, cols equals to column, suppose I want 20, okay, 20 columns. Now see how it is displayed. See, it is displayed in 20 rows and 6 rows and 20 columns. So here by default text I have given. Now I can enter the address, okay. So this is my full address. So by default you can write some, suppose for user interaction, okay, some sites they provide some text by default. In that case you can write some text, otherwise you can just leave it empty also. So this was about the text area tag for entering multiple lines of input in HTML form fields. We'll be seeing more in HTML forms in upcoming videos. For that, subscribe the channel Learn Think Right. Thank you.